This is my before video of the room transformation. Warning, some graphic scenes that might cause disturbances of nausea, headaches, mommy cringiness, because this is a teenager's room. And yeah, she gets away with the shoes because I did say she could leave the shoes. I will help. But all of this stuff, like, dude, seriously, like, what is this? Just, now the dresser is shared family stuff, but like, who child? What is this drawer? What is this? I don't even know what this is. You have all these drawers and everything just looks a mess. Like, do you even fold your clothes? Like, come on. Guys, I have my work cut out for me. Like, I mean, at one point in my life, I did want to become an organizer, decorator, and this is how she cleaned the room. She threw it all in the closet. So the Lord is testing me, and I'm going to meet the challenge. We're gonna meet this challenge. We're gonna hope I survive. That's all I can say. Are you fucking kidding me, Alondra? Are you kidding me? I'm not gonna disturb your weekend with your father. But just know, there will be no more eating in your room. None. None, Alondra. You can drink 1 bottle of water. If I see 2 bottles up here, I'm going to start. You have just warranted me to throw every fucking thing in your room away. Everything. Then we wonder why we have critters. Or things. Alondra, I love you. But you need to be successful enough so you could afford your own. And you could be as nasty as you fucking want to in your own space. But since this is a shared space, even though this is your room, this is a shared space. We all are responsible for each other's spaces. Because guess what? This is spoiled. And then if you would have ate this, you would have got fucking sick. Because it's supposed to stay in the refrigerator. You lucky Mr. Larry's not helping me because he wants to throw everything of yours away. I am trying to save you. And this is what I fucking find? Okay. When you come home and you see a nice new room transformation, there will be a lot of ground rules. And I am going to go back to weekly visits. I was trying to let you become a young adult and trust you, but guess what? I can't trust you. I can't. I'm finding drink packets in your drawers. And yes, I'm cleaning out all your drawers too. You are lucky I don't leave you with just panties, shirt, and a thing. And the thing is pants. All right. Quick update in my transformation of this room process. Now, like I said, it won't be a big transformation in the sense we're not getting rid of the bed and the dresser. It's a transformation of organization and cleanliness. It's a war against dirt, a war against the teenagers. So far, the teenagers are winning. The dirt is losing, but the teenagers are winning. So this is what we got done so far. We're in phase 2 of me starting to put the stuff together to help organize her room. Phase 3 will be this dresser, the top and the drawers. And phase 4, dun, 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 the closet. We might not get to phase 4, guys. They might just win the war. Gonna win these little mini battles. But that closet, yeah, I don't think we're gonna win that. Part 2A. So it is coming together. The secretary is coming. Well, not the secretary, the manual labor. You have to take off the stand, sweetie.
I knew that.
Okay.
I was just testing you.
Of course you was. And then so part 2A. Or step 2 in this war against the teenager's room. Okay, guys. I almost lost the battle in this war against the teenager. As I'm cleaning the dresser, to my horror, I found this. And I thought it was a little trinket. Like, okay. And then, upon closer inspection, it is some type of morsel of, used to be of food, and now it has literally petrified and molded. Yes. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for your mommy veteran. Okay. Phase 2, part B is now complete. In the mom against the teenager room. Now to continue tackling. Dun, dun, dun. That's mine. The dresser. Phase 3 begins. Oh, just to add a note. Phase 2, we saw some casualties. Yes, it is truly a war, and I've struck blood. Okay, so as I am completing phase 3 of the mom versus teenager battle with this room, I kindly asked my mother, hey, what's going on with all of this? Because this is in the mess. My mother tells me, yeah, we're supposed to be saving them. They're supposed to be in an area. Now, the OCD person that I am, this area should be the bathroom. This should not be in the bedroom. But she's like, no. This, because I order a monthly supply. By the way, that product is great. And, it should be a box in the closet. Let me show you guys the closet again. The closet. One box for soaps, one box for the lotions. Yeah, I'm going to tackle this closet. Me and this closet have a meeting. Ooh, child. Let me say it again. It's not going to be a meeting. It's going to be the guns a blazing. And she talking about a box. And then she talking about she going to order some more. This is how hoarding starts. I'm going to nip this in the bud. So the Chronicles of Mommy versus Teenager. This is the transformation of the battle of day 1. We fought a hard, long day. The troops are weary. So we're going to wrap it up. Oh, I forgot this. I'm going to wrap up this day. And tomorrow, the troops are going to try to tackle this monstrosity called the closet. Will I survive? I don't know. So there might not be a part 2 to this video. But we won today's battle, people. Mommy won. Teenager. I can't even calculate the points because I got bruised. But okay. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Or later. Depending on how I edit the video. Okay. Day 2 of Mommy versus Teenager. We are on to the closet. I pulled a little bit of stuff out so I can actually walk in here to film the before. Okay, wish me luck. Larry's not here to make sure I survive and don't go into the Narnia pits of clothes. But we'll hope we make it. Okay, guys. Round 1 is done. Almost ain't make it. I ain't might make it. I might get knocked out. But the closet is totally clean. And now, round 2. Starting to put the shit back in. Excuse me for cussing. Round 2 has been completed. It's almost a TKO for me, guys. We can see the floor. We can actually see her clothes. Granted, there's bags downstairs of clothes that she has to go through and fold. But yes, my final round is all the miscellaneous stuff that I need to clean up. But for the most part, I think I won. Mom versus teenager. The conclusion of mommy versus teenager, guys. I'm done. This is it. This is the after. Everything has a space. Everything is neat. We can actually see into the drawers. Oh, stuff's supposed to go in. It will. We did it. We did it. Mommy. Oh, that's the vacuum. I just vacuumed. We are sounding night, guys. We almost lost this war.